Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to transfer WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. So after opening that application, now you can see on the top on the right side, three dot option is there. Tap on this. So inside that, now you can see a setting option is there. Tap on setting. So inside that, now you can see here chat option is there. Tap on this. So scroll it. So now you can see here transfer chats option is there. Tap on this. So now you can see here start option is there. Tap on start. So it's asking for turn on your location. So you have to turn on this location. After turn on that location, so tap on continue. So it's asking for you have to turn on your Wi-Fi also. So you have to turn on this. Then tap on done. So my hotspot is on, so I have to turn off this. So if your is also on, so you have to turn off that. So now you can see here continue. So tap on continue. So you have to turn off this. So now it is preparing for that, transferring your data from new phone to old phone. But you have to scan here your that new phone. So wait for that moment. It is taking little bit time, so don't worry for that. So now it will asking for that scanning your new device. So after scanning that your device, it will transfer from old device to new device. So in this way you can transfer WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.